Welcome to a day in my life. Let's just go ahead and get started. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I like to get 2 sausage biscuits, a coffee.
What size coffee?
Small.
What else?
And a sweet tea light ice.
What size?
Small.
Anything else for you?
That'll be all. I do not like this dude that's at the window. Like, I used to work here. I do not like this dude. He been here for 12 years, if that. How are you still working at the same place, fast food restaurant, for 12 years? Whatever. I'm gonna just pay my food, act like I don't even know him, like I do every time. Okay, here we go. We're gonna slow the window down. Put my little biscuits in here. Okay, now I'm just taking a walk. I really try to be productive since I really don't do much other than do YouTube all day, and I'm a mommy and a wife, and I do those things as well. So honestly, what I do in the day since I quit my job, if you haven't seen that video, watch it after this. So I am pretty productive in my day. I get up at 6:30, I bring my son to school, and after that I just breathe, I go home, I refresh, recalibrate, do my morning routine, and after that I start working on YouTube and things I need to do around the house. I work out, I try to cook, prepare so that Jonathan doesn't have to do much around the house. And yeah, I don't really let him do much other than he goes to work and he does really what he want to do other than that. But yeah, my husband has been working night shift so far, so he wakes up around like 1:30, 2 o'clock. I go with him and we go hang out, we have lunch together, and then I go pick up our son from school. And yeah, so just follow me along through the day. So right now I'm on my way to go get some more washcloths and some washing detergent, and I need to get some more oil for Jordan's hair. So yeah, I'm about to go to the store right now to do that. Now it's time for Jonathan to get up, so I'm on my way back to the house, and we're gonna have a quick little cute lunch together before I go get Jordan from school. And yeah, so oh, that girl was flying, baby, slow down. Shoot. So I'm at home, I'm being quiet because Jonathan is still sleeping a little bit, but I just finished getting food in the crock pots to cook. I'll show you what I cook. I'm doing roast rice and gravy. Here's the rice. And then I have to wash all these goddamn dishes. So yeah, let's all washed and cleaned. Here, my man's in the car. We're going to get some lunch together. Baby, put your seatbelt on. It's stinging. We're going to get lunch together. So, yeah. It's a little blue slushy. We got Pepsi. Let's see what we got. Oh, goodness. A lot of mouthwash. Let's watch the new Dave Chappelle. I can't believe you watched it without me.
I ain't believe I watched it without you either.
You funny. Let's just eat it, okay? Just eat it. Eat it. Just eat it. Eat it. Okay, Dave Chappelle is on. Okay, back in the truck. We're going to get Jordan from school today. I think I got a lot accomplished so far. Our little man from school.
Got medical too.
So me and Jordan made it to my mom's shop. She is about to move from one location to another location because she makes hand soaps and oils and all this good stuff. I'm probably gonna leave Jordan with her because he done gave me a hard time on the way. Jordan, here. Say hey everybody. Can you sing us a song, please? Okay, what you want to sing?
ABC.
Okay, sing your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Okay, so I'm back home with Jordan. Jordan has been acting up today. I'm not gonna even act like he don't be going nuts, but he was just screaming and crying the whole way home. He's fine now. He got his chippies. We're about to eat our supper and take a bath, and we're gonna be getting ready for bed. I am gonna go ahead and end the night. I'm tired from the day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and tag along with me through this realm of life. Again, my name is Day, and hit that subscribe button. Roll. Good